Personality. This makes a huge impact in everybody's happiness, in everybody's life. But it's just that we don't give much importance to this in our life. When we are buying something or when we are selling something, when we are trying to connect with people and build our network, the first thing which is noticed or judged is the personality which is in you. So this is the reason why you need to know what are the steps to improve your personality. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the same. Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jaya. You're watching me on The Expound. Let's get into the video. Before I start, I want to ask you a question. That is, do you think that people are born with certain personality? Yes or no? No. People are not born with certain personality or certain characteristics. It's just that they develop by looking at the people or they get influenced by looking at other people. So the first point which you can use it to improve your personality is learning soft skills. Now you might ask me, Jaya, what is soft skills? Why are you talking about soft skills in personality development? Basically, soft skills are those skills which are not mostly taught in school. You might have never had a subject separately called as soft skills. If you had, then you are lucky, because most of the Indian education system do not give much priority to the soft skills. There are so many aspects of soft skills. There are so many things which comes under soft skills. Those are humility, team spirit, leadership quality, communication skills, public speaking, and so much more. I have made several other videos where I have told about public speaking and communication skills. You can check this playlist as well to know more about it. And everyone say that if you are educated and if you study well, you can get a good job and earn money and all that. But if you don't have proper soft skills, you cannot improve your personality, you cannot develop a attractive personality, and you cannot get a job or whatever you wished for in your life. And the second point is just be yourself. Yeah, many people might think like my personality is not likable, so I'll try to copy other person's way of behavior, way of talking and all that. But that is a huge mistake which people do. All you have to do is develop your own personality. As I've already said that you are not born with a personality, but you are going to create one. Create a new one and just don't copy others. Just take an example that I am watching some other people's video and I'm just copying it and then I'm telling to you in this video. That won't be good, right? Because you are watching my video so that you can find some new things, so that you can connect with me. So I have to research on my own, I have to think a new points, then only I can tell you all that. Because when I create my own things, my own perspectives, I am able to connect with a similar audience who are like me. That is the same technique which you also should use when you are improving your personality. So just don't fake your true self just because you want to impress others or you want to improve your personality. And the next point is talk out loud every day to yourself. I usually tell this point in English communication practice, but for this also you have to try it. You spend time with your family, with your friends, you spend more time in earning, studying, learning, and you even spend more time in your workplace with your workmates. But have you ever tried to spend time for yourself, for your own self? You have to try that. All you have to do is take a book and a pen or a paper, write down what are the things you're grateful for. or just read some self-help books which will improve your personality as well. Because at this time, at this crucial time, people literally forget to spend time for their own self. You should definitely try it. So the main reason why I'm suggesting you to do this is, there is a saying which says our real self is hidden behind our tongue. It's just that we don't recognize it. Okay, so just for example, you can take myself. I say some things which I didn't even write it in my scripts, because I have those all things in my head with myself, but it's just that I don't know how to express it out. But when I'm making these kind of videos, it automatically comes out. This is the reason why you should talk out loud. You should meet people, talk to them, because while I give some of the interviews, I find that there are some points which I'm telling which I didn't even think that I would say that. And the next point is volunteer yourself. Try to help other people as well. So there are two kinds of people. The first one are those people who will help others just to get that help back, or just to get the recognition that that person are helping them. And the second one are those people who will help other person just for their own personal satisfaction. They won't expect any other things from other people. You should be like the second person who should not expect anything from the people. And also, when you're being volunteer, people will like you because you're helping them. And just don't go and ask them for a silly reason that whether can I help you or can I help you. You should not do that. So what you can do is, when there is a situation where people might need your help, you should do them that help without any expectations. And never try to show off, because when you're helping other people, when your trust is increasing, your personality will also increase. And the final point is, just be humble and always smile. This point might just seem to you like a common point and a boring point for you, but you have no idea how important this is. So when you're being humble to people, you are creating a surrounding which is full of positivity, and also you're making other person comfortable as well. So when they are comfortable in their own place, they will be comfortable in talking to you and getting to know more about you. So your personality will improve only if you always smile. This is 90% true, because people just ask me that, Jaya, how are you smiling all the time? Like, how are you maintaining that positive environment with yourself? I kind of, I say them that, yeah, it's common. Even I have some problems. Even I have some problems which I have to face. But it's just that I do not show everything in front of my face when I talk. So when I talk with a smile. I be humble and all that. You should also try that. Thank you so much for watching this video. You came till the end. That means a lot to me. I don't know whether you watched it till here or not, but even though if you just watched it in the beginning and left, it's fine. Thank you so much for watching this video. That's all I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like my work, make sure you subscribe my channel, like this video also. And if you want to tell me something, you can comment down in the comment section. And that's all I want to tell you today. Thank you so much. Until the next video. Bye.